I'm telling you now. That's what I got.
And she rolled up the window too.
Open the window. Maybe you step it up. 10-4 if Castleberry's got a unit close. I'm about to shatter your window, ma'am.
Nothing. Yeah, baby! Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Fusil. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. It's the weekend. It's Saturday. How my people doing? I hope you guys got some real live relaxation on the Saturday. I hope you slept in, except for when I drop videos. But I hope you slept in. Got your body right, got your body tight, got that rest. Without the rest, your body cannot repair itself. You got to get that rest. So for my people that got the 2 days off, got the weekends off, take your time, get your sleep, get your meeps. Simple, okay? Speaking of meeps, 1 through 10, tap in the comment section. Let me know where you are with your meeps as of right now as you're watching this video. How are you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and spiritually? Tab down in the comment section. Let us know. And with that being said, we're about to get into a video where a woman refuses to get out of her car, meets a no-nonsense copper. Now, you guys know we love the no-sense copperies. I ain't got time for the spiel. I'm not going to ask you 20, 30 times to get out. Give me a license. Da-da-da. And this and that. I'm not going to do the combative shit with you, because then I feel like I lost power at that point. I'm going to give you some directives. If you don't follow them, we're going to go from there, okay? Simple. We're never going in the field. It's a learning videos. These are learning videos. All these dash cam joints, these are learning videos. And we learn how to not to act. We learn how to make it out safely. We learn how to not to get our cars effed up, how not to get our cars towed. Okay? Take it as you will. Do what you want with that information type. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the video to 1,000 likes, 20K views. If you giveaway going down on the 21st of November, which is in 3 weeks. So make sure you tell a friend to a friend. Make sure that post notifications are on and set to all. Even though we know they're not working, just do it anyway. So eventually you should gonna get corrected, I guess. I'm hoping. But let's type into the no nonsense and see what we get about this reaction video.
On March 5th, 2023, an officer spotted a Kia Forte driving with its high beams on. He initiated a seemingly routine traffic stop, but the driver refused to even roll her window down and cooperate. Little did he know, the situation was about to unfold in a way he never could have predicted.
Was that one of those little Kia Souls?
Jaguar Sergeant Brian Long, Police Department. You let your window down for me, please.
It's down.
You have just license, registration, proof of insurance.
Here you go.
You have your license, registration, proof of insurance.
I don't have that on me.
How much you have that on you?
Just go in my phone and grab it. Give me
Okay.
a second. Can you move your light, please? Since
I cannot. Unfortunately, it's a safety issue.
Mm-hmm.
A little attitude type. Okay.
All right, Ms. Corvette, do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle for me.
No. I'm going to get you a
Okay, I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle for me, please.
thank you.
Okay, well, you don't have that option, okay?
Yes, I do.
You do not.
Yes, I do.
Okay, if I'm asking you to
not going to step out. Why did you pull me over?
That's all. Let me start me another unit.
Already.
One more time, okay?
Sir, why did you pull me over?
You're going to either step out of the vehicle,
Sir,
or
why
I'm
did
going
you
to
pull me
go ahead and
over?
bust this window and pull you out of the vehicle.
For what?
Okay, because I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
We're going to go. Let me get my insurance.
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to ask you one more time.
No, sir.
Just step out of the vehicle for me.
I stayed where I was.
Nope.
Which was at Circle K or in front of my father's house.
Okay, do me a favor, step out of the vehicle for me.
No, sir. I don't see why.
Because I'm telling you to.
I feel comfortable in my car.
Okay, well, I'm not asking you anymore.
I'm getting my
I'm telling you to step out of the
If you can please
vehicle.
call another sergeant for me, please.
I am the sergeant on duty, so you can either step out of the
So I'll
vehicle.
just call 911.
If you call 911, you're going to go to jail for misuse of 911.
For what? You just
I'm
pulled
telling
me
you,
over.
if you call 911, you're going to go to
I don't
jail.
feel comfortable.
Why do people feel like they could call 911 when 911 is sitting right in their face? Another learning experience. If you didn't know, now you know. Call 911 when an officer is in front of your face, Unless it's an unmarked car, you know, some back roads, you don't feel safe and you want to make sure that's a real officer, that's different. Officer's there telling you, you got pulled over for this, give me this information. You're saying, no, I ain't got it. I ain't got the insurance, I ain't got none of that. And you're going to say you're going to call 911 and he's telling you. It's a learning experience. You cannot call 911 because you're going to get hit with a charge of misuse of 911. Carry on.
I feel shaken right now.
Well, I don't know why.
Because you're asking me to pull over. You said you were going to break my window.
Yes, because I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle. I don't need to tell you why. I'm telling you to step out of your duty. It is not.
Yes, it is.
So you can go ahead and step out of the vehicle and you're going to go to jail.
I'm so glad you have this on camera.
I 100% do. So
all of it.
So you can go ahead and step out of the vehicle. I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle.
Let me call you Ezekiel.
Okay. Let me call who?
You got one more opportunity to step out of the vehicle. I'm going to shatter your window and I'm going to pull you out. I'm telling you what's going to happen. So you can either step out of the vehicle.
Sorry, I'm getting out of the car.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Excuse me, can I get a second?
Step out of the vehicle now. Cool.
She went back like she was talking to her girlfriend.
You're going to jail.
She acted like she was talking to her. What? She acted like she did with an ex. I could see through the window tight. She twirling her hair like, yeah. Anyway, girl, this police officer trying to pull me over and he trying to tell me to get out of the car. When I know I don't have to. I'm trying to call another sergeant, but he's telling me I'm gonna get a charge. That's how she's talking. You tell me, I know you. I'm gonna zoom in on that mother. She's twirling her hair and just anyway type shit. And she about to find out type shit. Fuck around and find out. Yeah.
I'm telling you now. That's what
and she rolled up the window too.
Open the window. Maybe you can step it up. 10-4 if Castleberry's got a unit close. I'm about to shatter your window, ma'am.
Nothing. Yeah, baby!
What's wrong with you?
Step out of the vehicle now. That's
Can
why
I
I got
step
one
out
fighting.
of the vehicle? Can you let me step out of the vehicle?
Hey, shut the fuck up. You didn't want to step up when I told you to get up. Now I'm going to break your glass and you want to step out? Shut the fuck up. Now I'm going to pull you out, put you on the ground, slam you to the ground, I'm doing all type of shit. It's on camera. I gave you all the directive. You told me no to everything. Now you want to step out? I just broke your glass. Why we got to go this route, people? Why? I don't want my glass broken. I don't want to do what he asked me to do after he breaks something on my window and it's going to cost me $300. I'm going to do that before that because I don't want to come out more money already. It's a goofy situation to put yourself in. Get out. Don't play the victim now. Can I get out? Would you please let me out this motherfucker? You blocking my viewery. Crazy.
The vehicle. Pepper spray deployed.
Ooh, he's
Step
pepper
out of the
sprayed.
vehicle now.
Not a boy.
Step out of the vehicle. Do it now.
You not a boy.
Do it now. Get out of the vehicle. Get on the ground.
Oh, shit.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Do it now.
Stop
Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop
Give me your
resisting.
hand.
You're gonna get tased.
You understand?
Stop. All for money, honey. All for money.
Never seen? Excuse me.
You got some of that pepper spray. Listen, I know this motherfucker said no nonsense cop, but I didn't know he was gonna be that no nonsense. Get the cup of water out of my face. He was that type. Okay, boy, I know you're not a boy. You ain't acting like a woman either. I don't know what the fuck you are. Get out. Whoa, I didn't expect him to go there. That was a big surprisery. Sheesh.
Excuse me.
Give me my glasses. We'll get in a minute, dude. I'm gonna die and you're handcuffed up on it.
What? Excuse me. Well, now you're going to jail.
For what?
For resisting, obstruction,
on here.
You good.
Can you get my glasses?
No, not worried about your glasses.
I am.
I don't
He was
care.
better off tasing her than giving her the pepper spray because now they got it.
You got the floor. What's that for? You got one security.
You can keep another unit coming. Can you have FD out as well? Have a seat.
Damn, he hot. He pissed.
Just so you're aware, you're going to jail for resisting with violence, obstruction. No, I'm not giving you glasses right now.
I can't see.
Okay, well, we'll take it up to the hospital. You got pepper spray anyway, so you go up there and get medical clear.
Okay, but
so
I can't see.
Okay,
They're on
well,
the floor right there.
we'll get him in a second. I'm telling you what you're going to jail for, okay? All you had to do
No, sir.
was simply step out of the
No,
vehicle.
sir.
I don't need to tell you why it's so pulled you over. Okay? So that's what you're going to jail for. All you had to do was simply step out of the vehicle. You probably would have got your ticket.
Hey, I do got a real question though. When you get pulled over, aren't they supposed to tell you why you're getting pulled over for? Hey, I'm pulling you over. You were speeding. Hey, you got a busted tail light. I'm asking. I know we got some women in here that are married to police officers, and you know we got some women in here that have brothers, officer, and grandpas. Tag down in the comment section because maybe I had it misconstrued. Let me know when you get pulled over, and you say, "Hey, what am I being pulled over for?" Do they have to tell you, or they don't have to tell you? Serious question. Tap in.
You would have been on your way, okay?
He said,
What's your initial stop for?
Hi, beans. Hey, what's going on? Got a pepper spray exposure to her, and then I think I sliced her finger, busting her window. I don't know where it's at, but that's why I need to clean. She's in the back of my car. She got pepper spray exposure. She should be rinsed out. And I just need to clean this up just to make sure I ain't got no good gas from breaking the window.
Okay.
So.
That's good. We'll take care of your
Yeah, she's over there in the back of my car. She got pepper spray exposure. I just need to clean this up to make sure I didn't gas my finger, busting the window out.
She's going to be in your custody.
Yeah. So the jail is finicky with that stuff. Like, even if you guys clear them on scene, they won't take it. They got to go to the hospital to get cleared.
Okay. What'd you guys pull her over for?
Driver to high beams, and she did one of those. I said, let your window down so I can get your ID. Nah. I said, all right, go ahead and step out of the car for me. Nah. I said, all right. I said, look, you got to step out or I'm going to pull you out. One of the way. You're either coming out of this vehicle one way or another. No, I'm going to call 911. I said, if you call 911, you're really going to go to jail at that point in time. No. She lets the window all the way up. I said, okay. Told my unit's coming. I shattered the window, but my ass flies
He said,
out
okay.
flies through the windshield with it, or through the side window with it. And then she goes to like try to lock it again, and I pull it open, and I pull her. She kicks me, throws it back, throws the water in my face. I said, all right, I'm spraying you. I'm done with this. Spray her, then I threw her out of the car onto the ground there. So she would have just got probably a verbal warning for her high beams and on her way, but it's the route you choose. It's what happens, then I guess.
So, have fun. All right.
So,
I mean, you gotta do it the hard way, I guess.
you know, make it harder than what it needs to be.
All
So
right,
we
sir.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good night.
The woman was charged with one singular count of resisting an officer without violence.
The woman. That's it. That's the only charge. She wasn't charged with the high beams or nothing like that. Say was gonna give her a warning. Tap in. Do y'all think he was a little bit too rough on her? Let me know. I wasn't expecting that throw down on the groundery type, like, and get the water out of my face type. I wasn't expecting none of that. If I were a boy, she said, I'm not a boy. Beyonce, all in my goddamn grillery. You know what I'm saying? Tap in. Let me know what you thought about the video. We're going to keep on having fun. We're going to keep on exposing. We're going to keep on learning. These videos are learning videos. And, you would think it's common sense, but it's really not that common to some people. These are learning experiences. All these videos that we do on both channels are educational. And I appreciate everybody said they learn something in every video, and thanks for putting them out. But I got to thank you guys for sending me the videos to be able to react to them. And I got to we're behind. I literally get like 30 DMs a day, and some people send 2 or 3 videos, which I'm not complaining about. Just, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be a little minute before I get to the video you might have sent me because we're still digging through the cratery, okay? But shout out to my people for sending me the videos. You send me the people in the comment section. Keep coming with the videos. Where are the great videos? The people are sending them to me. It ain't me picking them out at all. I'm just waking up to them, and I'm like, all right, this is what we doing. So keep on tapping in, keep on having fun, keep on supporting your boy, and I'm going to keep on supporting back. That's how we rock over here. This ain't no one-way streetery. And we ain't no goddamn one-word repeatery. I'm gone.